Welcome to a calm beginning and a moment of shared awareness. Today's affirmation invites recognition rather than separation. The light within me recognizes the light in all. Much of conflict begins with forgetting that beneath opinions, behaviors, and differences, there is something shared. This affirmation gently restores that memory. When you recognize the light within yourself, you stop needing to defend it. From that steadiness, you can see others more clearly, not as obstacles or opposites, but as fellow expressions of life moving through different experiences. This does not mean agreeing with everyone. It does not mean ignoring harm or difficulty. It means choosing to look deeper than surface behavior. Recognition softens the nervous system. It changes the quality of attention you bring into a moment. Seeing light in others often changes how you speak, how you listen, how you pause before reacting. It creates space for compassion without requiring explanation or approval. As your day unfolds, let this affirmation meet you when tension appears, when judgment rises. Pause. When frustration surfaces, soften. Remember that recognition does not weaken boundaries, it strengthens clarity. Here's your daily habit for today. Acknowledge one person today with silent respect, without needing to say anything. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I meet others with quiet respect, and recognition opens the door to peace. Thank you for beginning your day with inspiration, and choosing connection over division. May today be guided by the light you recognize within and around you. Win the morning, win the day,